Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Perplexity AI subscription. If you've decided that the service isn't quite what you need anymore, or you're looking to cut back on recurring expenses, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login details to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct account information to ensure you're accessing the right subscription settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Perplexity AI profile and subscription details. Now, since I'm demonstrating this with a free account that doesn't have an active subscription, I'll walk you through what the next steps look like when you do have a paid plan. Once you're in your account settings, navigate to the section labeled Subscription. This is where all your billing and subscription information is stored. Click on Manage Subscription to proceed to the next stage. In the Manage Subscription area, you'll see details about your current subscription plan. Navigate to the specific subscription you want to cancel. Once you've located it, click on Cancel Subscription. This button is typically clearly marked and will initiate the cancellation process for your selected plan. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is Perplexity AI's way of making sure you really want to proceed with the cancellation, as this action will affect your access to premium features. To finalize the cancellation, click Cancel Subscription again on this confirmation window. This confirms your decision and processes the cancellation request. And that's it, you've successfully canceled your Perplexity AI subscription. Your access to premium features will typically continue until the end of your current billing period, after which your account will revert to the free tier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.